Welcome to this magnificent stately home, uniquely positioned on a sprawling nearly 17,000 square foot corner lot in the heart of Mary Hill. A tile entry meets oak hardwood floors and welcomes you to a spacious living room with a river rock gas fireplace. A formal dining room leads to the updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances surrounding a quartz capped island and subway tile backsplash. The family room off the kitchen leads back to a full bathroom and 3 more main floor bedrooms, including the primary, with a full ensuite and sliding glass doors that lead directly to the concrete patio and hot tub. Upstairs, a home office with backyard views divides 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom. The private park-like backyard offers a tranquil retreat with a 16 by 12 gazebo and barbecue shelter over the brick patio off the family room.
The rambling landscape backyard has a standing water feature and a tree-lined perimeter.
Don't miss this unique property and a gorgeous home.